Yeah, it's definitely going to come to $1.80 if Bitcoin goes below $40,000. In my opinion, it will have a little bit of that effect. So the $1.80 would be an extreme good buy zone, in my opinion. Okay, guys, this doesn't mean it needs to hold. We might be crashing down to $1. But by looking at this chart, okay, what happened? What happened 2 days ago? Not 2 days ago, but a couple of days ago, a few days ago, where a lot of people were, Matic. It's absolutely insane how Twitter explodes when, you have Matic. This was a couple of weeks ago, actually. Matic all-time high, we're going to the moon. Matic is going to go to $10, blah, 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 all of this. Yeah, that's not a good sign. That's not a good sign. When everybody's, a little bit too bearish, it's a good sign. So $1.80 is likely if Bitcoin's going to hit sub $40,000. And it might be a very, very good buy zone, guys. Now, my eyes are on Bitcoin because I have a strategy here on Bitcoin. And that strategy is to once Bitcoin hits these levels that we are talking about. Okay, let me just get this fibs out of the way. Hang on a second. Right over here. Like I said, this is what I'm kind of expecting. The spring point might come sooner. It might not take, it might not be next week. It might be, in between, before the end of this week, where we might hit, 40,000, 39, 37. It's going to look very, very scary, guys. It will look scary. And that will be the moment where you're going to have altcoins such as Matic, potentially hitting $1.80 or $1.70 and getting a massive wick. And that is maybe going to be a very, very, very good long opportunity, okay? Long opportunity or buy Matic for the hold, okay? Where I do see a bounce from that level. That is my personal opinion, guys. Remember, Matic can be traded on Bybit, okay? You get the best bonus available. We're having a little bit of a bounce right now on Bitcoin. Yeah, you get the best bonus available on Bybit, up to $4,100 worth of bonus. So make sure to take advantage of that bonus down below on Bybit. You also got an insane bonus on Prime XBT, guys. It's got the bonus right now of 7% added to your deposit. So you deposit $1,000, you're getting $70. You deposit $10,000, you're getting $700 on top of that. So you can trade with those $700 if you wish. If you deposit $10,000, just trade with the bonus. Let's take a look at what can we take a look at? Okay, Solana is not looking too good. Solana is not looking too good. Let's take a look at Solana, one of the favorites from a lot of people. Solana. I did have a chart here with some different support levels and resistance. Yeah, the other scenario here that we were talking about Solana is coming all the way down to in between $115 and $130. This is very, very likely a zone where we are going to get potentially a very, very good bounce. Because of this support area, VPVR, not too much VPVR here, not too much volume profile, and we can take a look at some fib levels also from the low to the high. Extreme volatility would be coming down to the $112 range, low $100 range. I think is a very, very good level. If we do see some reaction, some consolidation around that level, it is going to be a very, very good buy signal. Remember, Bitcoin may be dropping below the September low. If that does happen, it's going to be a very, very good buying opportunity for a strong altcoin projects. Now, I'm not sure what is going on with Solana. I know they did have some issues with their network. Yeah, I'm not sure how Solana is doing actually with all of that. But overall, if we do have that consolidation right there, it's going to be a very, very good buy zone in my opinion, you know, between $115 and $130. That is my opinion here on Solana. Let's go here and take a look. Let's take a look at the comment section. Right. ADA, please. Let's take a look at ADA straight away. You really think that Bitcoin is going to rise? Definitely in the future. Definitely in the future. It can drop short term, of course. Yeah, I think, like I said, you know, this is what I think, guys. This is what I think. You know, I think it is